This is not another video telling you AI is coming for your job. It is also not another video telling you to relax. Some of what you do all week, AI already does better. Some of it, AI cannot touch. Most people never get told which is which. Here is the honest split. Start with the uncomfortable half. Status reports, meeting notes, a first draft of a risk register, a schedule that reshuffles itself when a task slips. These used to take real skill. Now they take a prompt. If your value was writing the update, that value is gone, not shrinking, gone. Now the other half, nobody can prompt their way out of this list. Accountability. When a project fails, a person answers for it, not a model. Judgment, when the information is incomplete and everyone in the room wants a different answer. Trust, built with a sponsor over months, that lets you deliver bad news and still get believed. Reading a tense room and knowing which fight to have today and which one to let go. AI can draft the difficult email. It cannot own what happens after you send it. Here is why it splits this way. Not by luck. AI is pattern completion. Give it a format it has seen before and it finishes it well. A judgment call is not a pattern. It is a trade-off between things that cannot both be true, decided with information that will never be complete. That is not a data problem. It never was. So here is what actually moves you to the right side of that list. Stop writing the report yourself. Direct the tool that writes it and spend the time you get back on the conversation the report was supposed to lead to. Take the meeting you have been avoiding. Judgment is a rep sport. You do not build it by reading about it. Ask for the feedback nobody volunteers. The gap between how you think a stakeholder sees you and how they actually see you is where trust quietly leaks out. AI is not replacing project managers. It is replacing the parts of the job that were never really the job. The prompts I use to cut the admin into half the time. Get it free at pmgts.uk/free/AI-prompts. Use the time it gives you back on the half that is actually yours. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.